Hello everyone, myself Navneet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, subscribe my channel if you want to boost your score. Today we will discuss about the another cue cards which I will explain. Actually, I will explain one story and in this way you can make your two cue cards. दो क्यू कार्ड्स ਨੂੰ कवर करदी एक स्टोरी ਨੂੰ डिस्कस करांगे ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ properly please watch my video till at the end if you want to make your cue cards more innovative and constructive and more imperative. Also in this way you can also boost your score. I will also discuss the cross questions which can be asked by the examiner. पॉसीबल ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਡਿਕਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ डिस्कस कराऊंगी ਜਿਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ट्रेडिशनल ਦੇ रिलेटेड कुछ नॉलेज मिलूगी. So today our cue cards are talk about the traditional object of your country that you bought. एक ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਰੀਦਿਆ. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਉਹ, how is it made, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਿਆ ਉਹ, when did you try it, ਕਿਦੋਂ ट्राई किया, for first time किमें तुसी उन्होंने first time try किया, and why do you like it, क्यों तुसी इनू like करते हो. अगला जिहड़ा क्यू कार्ड है something important that you lost. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ स्टोरी करनी है. वो स्टोरी यही है कि मतलब मैं कैंठा इत्थे आपां कैंठा परचेज करांगे, इत्थे आपां लॉस्ट करांगे. कैंठा एक यह जिहा ऑर्नामेंट है जिन्होंने ऑलमोस्ट सारे वीयर कर देंगे आ बिकॉज ट्रेडिशनल कॉस्ट्यूम आर इनकंप्लीट विदाउट वीयरिंग अ कैंठा. एक कंपीटिशन तुसी पार्टिसिपेट करोगे जिथे मैंडेटरी सीगा उहदे करके तुसी उसनू खरीदिया. सो आपां की डिस्कस करना है, कैंठा करना है. कैंठा है की है? द कैंठा इज एन ऑर्नामेंट worn tightly around the neck in the Punjabi culture. It is most famous traditional ornament and it is made in the silver gold. ठीक है, सिल्वर ते गोल्ड दे विच ये बनया हुंदा है. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरीज also can be seen because in the middle there is a rectangular shape and there is a heart shape plate and ताबीज़ भी कह सकते हैं इस चीज़ को, वो प्रेजेंट है. दैन अलॉन्ग विद दिस देयर इज़ वन ऑफ थ्रेड दैट ऑलवेज टाइट इट वैन द पीपल वियर अराउंड द नैक जो उन्होंने राउंड करते हैं. क्योंकि ये है हाउ इट इज़ मेड, ये किमें बनया जाता है. इट इज़ मेड बाय सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरीज. ठीक है, दैट मेक इट मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट इज़ लुक लाइक ए नेकलेस दैट इज़ मेड बाय द सुनियार तो हमेशा वो बनता. ठीक है, जो गोल्ड स्मिथ वर्जन होंगे वो तो उस चीज़ को बनाया जाता है. सो आप किमें डिस्कस करांगे. सब तो पहला आपने एक नैचुरल सैक्शन लैके आना है अपनी स्पीकिंग दे विच. सब तो पहला तुसी इंट्रोडक्शन दे नाल जाना. इंट्रोडक्शन की है ट्रेडिशन ते, तो किमें बनावांगे. अनडेनाबली traditional and cultural values hold an indispensable role in order to preserve our roots, साडियां roots nu, because these are the identity of the nation. Although I love to know about the ancient time and previous things which are made by hand, but here I would like to talk about one of the product of the traditional item which was purchased by me, जेड़ा मेरे द्वारा परचेज किया गया. It is a kantha. It is known as an ornament which is worn by the people around the neck tightly. Actually it is look like a necklace, एक तरह का वो necklace दे तौर पे आउंदा. And it is made in the silver and gold, सिल्वर ते गोल्ड पोर्शन दे विच वो बनाया जाता है. उस तो बाद it is also made with the help of beautiful embroidery and designs which were present in the ancient time. And it always realized us regarding the ancient time when the people wore it. Actually I purchased it because it was mandatory to have a traditional costume in the competition where I have participated. It was one of the competition which was organized by the local authority of my hometown. Here I participated in the Bhangra de vich मैं participate किया where it was mandatory to have a proper traditional costume. So kurta and pajama was the costume and it was incomplete because without the kantha. Then after so that's why I purchased it. I liked it very much because when I wore it and everyone praised me a lot during the wedding section, during some of the ritual and customs which are come under the Punjabi culture. This is one of the traditional dress which usually people wear during the wedding and special occasions. I also love to wear it because I feel more comfortable, and everyone praise it a lot when I wear the kantha, and they told me that you are one of the Punjabi like teenager and you look like a very handsome. कुड़ियां हैं ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ beautiful ਕਹਿਣਗੀਆਂ, boys हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ handsome ਦਿਖਦਾ. I also have uploaded many type of photographs which was captured after wearing it, and a lot of compliments and feedbacks I also have taken in the form of comments, and a lot of views also I have taken, and everybody praised me a lot. So that's why it is one of the traditional product which was purchased by me. I love to wear it just because of the personality that I took, and because it always enhance my look. मेरी लुक ਨੂੰ बहुत ज़्यादा चार चंद लगा दिंदा है. सो इस तरीके ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ क्यू कार्ड ਨੂੰ प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. कोई भी मतलब कोई भी ਜਿਹੜਾ पोर्शन है वो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ऐड करके बोल सकते हो. उस तो बाद आ जाता नैक्सट क्यू कार्ड. ਇਹਨੂੰ क्लीयर करन तो पहला ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ फॉलोअप्स कर लिए. ਇਹਦੇ फॉलोअप्स अपने कोले की है. डिस्क्राइब अनदर ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम योर कंट्री. अनदर ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स किहड़े होंदे हो सकते हैं. हैंडमेड फैंस जिन्हों दैट इज़ नोन एज अ पक्खी. स्पाइनिंग व्हील दैट वर यूज्ड इन द एशियन टाइम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेकिंग द कॉटन की जिहड़ी भी क्लोथ्स वगैरह बनाउण वास्ते जो भी यूज़ किया जाता सी, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ स्पाइनिंग व्हील. उस तो बाद होर की हुंदा फुलकारी. दैट इज़ ऑलवेज worn by the girls, especially when they become bride. Not only this but also it is a traditional costume which is most famous in my Punjabi culture. उस तो बाद ਆਪਾਂ डिस्कस करांगे बट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट टू द लोकल पीपल. न्यूमरस टाइप ऑफ बेनिफिट्स कैन बी सीन अमंग द लोकल पीपल when they have a lot of traditional products, because people can earn bread butter by selling them. Not only this but also when they have a traditional things, they can know about the standard of living of the past time people and Asian times also. They can attach with their roots also. ठीक है. उस तो बाद do you think a government should help in the promotion of traditional product? Yes, definitely, because in this way the traditional and cultural values can be passed out generation to generation, because when the seminars are organized by the local authorities and main authorities of the nation, in this way cultural and traditional values are promoted. ठीक है. that can also stay alive with the help of the promotions which can be seen among the government. Do you think because of the globalization countries are adopting each other culture? Yes, definitely. A numerous type of cultures are adopting by the people who belong to the different culture and different traditions. For example, Christmas is one of the festival which is known as the festival of developed countries, and but nowadays it is being celebrated by by the Indians with full of enthusiasm. It is also beneficial for the people because the integrity, harmony and brotherhood sense जिहड़ी हुंदी है, the sense of integrity, brotherhood and unity and harmony also can be brought out just because of adopting the different type of traditions and cultures. Why people buy the traditional products? Because of their traditional value or because of their handmade? It depends upon the personal choice of the person. Some of the people who are curious regarding the things which are made by hand, because they just want to enjoy the originality and reality, and because of the things which are made by hand are more original rather than the machinery section. On the other hand, some of the people who are more curious regarding the pastime, the things of the pastime ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ things हैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ related ਉਹ curious ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. That's why ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, they purchase the things. ठीक है, because of the traditional values. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, did the traditional things of the past have more value rather than the present? Yes, definitely. In the ancient time, the things were more valuable because they were made in the originality by the hands, but nowadays artificial selection can be noticed because most of the products are made with the help of machine that are not original. So in the ancient time, the quality of the product was more as compared to present. Is it necessary to promote the traditions? Yes, for stay for a life, the culture. In this way, the culture and traditional values can stay alive, and person can stay touch with their roots, and identities cannot be die out in this way. क्योंकि कुछ ट्रेडिशन एंड कल्चर अपनी आइडेंटिटीज़ होंदियां, हुण एक पंजाबी गर्ल नूं जां पंजाबी बॉय नूं उहदे कॉस्ट्यूम चों जाणिया जांदा है, उहदे कल्चर वास्ते बहुत ज़्यादा जाणिया जांदा है। तो फिर जो कल्चर ही नहीं रहूगा, अपनी की आइडेंटिटी आ, आपां नूं कौन कहूगा कि आपां पंजाबी हाँ, तो उस बेसिस ते। So do you think a teenager should learn about the traditions? Definitely, because in this way juveniles can stay touch with the roots of the traditional values. They can also alive their traditions. In this way, the tradition and cultural values can be passed out generation to generation. ठीक है, तो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन जी अपनी ट्रेडिशनल एंड कल्चरल वैल्यूज़ हैं वो जिहड़ियां हैं पास आउट भी हो सकदियां ने ते अलाइव भी रह सकदियां ने। क्योंकि जे टीनेजर उहदे विच इंटरस्ट ही नहीं लैणगे दैन उस टाइम ते उन्हां नूं मतलब जिहड़े नैक्सट जनरेशन वाले पीपल हैं उन्हां नूं पता ही नहीं लगना भी आपां किवें जिहड़ियां थिंग्स हैं उन्हां नूं प्रिजर्व करके रख सकदे हां। सो नैक्सट जिहड़ा क्यू कार्ड है वो अपने कोले डिस्क्राइब समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू लॉस्ट। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बारे दसने जिहड़ी तुसीं लॉस्ट कीती है, वो इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग की हो सकती है अपनी कैंठा ही कवांगे, बट इंपॉर्टेंट किवें आ क्योंकि वो थोड़े ग्रैंडफादर ने थोनू गिफ्ट की सी। इट वॉज अ ग्रेट मैमरी ऑफ योर ग्रैंडफादर, थोड़े ग्रैंडफादर की बहुत ज़्यादा मैमरी सी, तो वो चीज़ तुसीं इहदे विच यूज़ करनी है। एंड इंपॉर्टेंट के कुछ सिनोनिम्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हो तुसीं, किहड़े क्रूशियल, एसेंशियल, सिग्निफिकेंट, इंडिस्पेंसिबल, वाइटल, पैरामाउंट रोल, इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, ये चीज़ां हैं जिहड़ियां वो तुसीं इंपॉर्टेंट के तौर पर यूज़ कर सकते हो। Undeniably, in the present scenario, due to the vicissitude of many vicissitudes of the life, the things people forget the things usually. Although, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ imperative ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। Undeniably, due to the hectic schedule and a lot of burden that always pressurized the person a lot, so that's why people forget the things usually. Although I also have faced many situations in this where I have forgotten a lot of things, but here I would like to talk about one of the thing that has been lost by me just because of the carelessness of my friends and my trust that I really had on my friends. It is known as a cantha. Actually, it was more important for me because it was given by my grandfather. Nowadays my grandfather is no more, so it was the greatest memory of my grandfather. Not only this, but also it belonged to the traditional, because cantha is one of the ornament which is worn by the people with the traditional clothes on the neck, tightly wear किता जांदा, and it was too beautiful because it was made in the time of my grandfather, when my grandfather was a juvenile, when my grandfather was adult, so at that time it was made. That's why it was the most of the precious item for me. Actually, it was a time when I participated in the Bhangra competition. Here I wore this ornament and I looked very handsome. Kudiyan कहणगियां very beautiful. ठीक है, so at that time a lot of compliments I have taken from my teachers and from my friends also. My friends told me that please give me your cantha so that we can capture some of the photos and upload on the social media for gaining the popularity. So at that time I gave to them, मैं उन्हां नूं दिता, but due to having their carelessness I have lost it, because when I told to my friend who have taken the cantha from me, I told him that where is my cantha, then he told me that your cantha is present in another hand of my friend. Then when I told him, he told me that your cantha is present on the other hand of the friend. They passed my cantha 1 to 1, but I didn't received my kantha again. So in this way I found a lot the kantha because it was an antique thing for me and a great memory of my grandfather. I also have today I also have a guilt of losing this thing, and so it was one of the thing which was lost by me just because of the careless of my friends and the trust that I and believe that I had towards my friend when I gave to them and when I gave the responsibility of the kantha to them. सो इस तरीके दे नाल इंपॉर्टेंस भी हो गया, क्योंकि मैं लॉस्ट होया वो भी हो गया, सारे क्यूज भी कंप्लीट हो गए। सो ये एक स्टोरी आ जिन्होंने तुसी मोल्ड आउट करके अपनी नैचुरलिटी दे विच किसी अकॉर्डिंग ही मोल्ड आउट करके ठीक है तुसी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो। सो हुण इहदे क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस आपां डिस्कस करांगे। मोस्टली क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस किदां दे हुंदे आ कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स डू यू लॉस्ट एवरी डे, किस तरह दियां थिंग्स जिहड़े पीपल हैं जां तुसी हो लॉस्ट करदे हो हर रोज़, तो किस तरह दियां थिंग्स हैं जिहड़ियां आपां लॉस्ट करते हैं यूजली, मतलब जिहड़े स्पैक्स वियर करते हैं लाइक मैं हो गई जिमें ठीक है वो की हुंदा भी मतलब इदां दियां जिहड़ियां चीज़ां जिमें स्पैक्स डेली रूटीन बेसिस थिंग्स पीपल यूजली लॉस्ट लाइक वाटर बॉटल्स when they go out which they carry tiffin, specs and purse and documents which are usually used by them ठीक है, these type of items people used to lose every day। उसके बाद what can we do to prevent losing the important things? Organization is one of the dominant solution and measure in which the people can prevent the things from losing, because when the person organize the things in an apple pie order in this way they stay more conscious towards the things, because when the things are mashed out by the person do not know where the belongings of his where they are and how they can organize, so in this way they usually lost the things। वट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हैव यू लॉस्ट सो फार, मतलब जिमें आप कह दीए भी किस तरह दियां जिहड़ियां थिंग्स है जिहड़ियां तुसी मतलब लॉस्ट कर चुके हो, तो तुसी कह सकते हो सम ऑफ द नोट्स दैट आई हैव लॉस्टेड व्हेन सिंस माई 10th class, because at that time it was a really great need and I felt very bad after losing it, because when I went to the cafe in order to xerox my notes because the condition of my notes was not very well, so that's why I xeroxed again to go to the cafe, but suddenly one call came from my home that the condition of grandfather is too serious, please come। So at that time I totally worried regarding that and I rushed from the cafe, and in this way I lost my notes, because when I returned back in the cafe they told me that there is no notes that you have given, you should be conscious towards your belongings, so in this way I forget over there and I have lost my notes that were more important। And one time when I lost my specs, because I bought newly the specs and I wrapped during my sleeping, and at that time I also lost my specs। What do you usually do to look for the lost items? तुसी किद्दां like what would you do if you saw something valuable but did not belong to you? तुसी की करोगे ਜਦੋਂ कोई भी चीज़ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ belong नहीं करती? Firstly I want to search the owner of the things so that I can hand over the thing who belongs to the person but if I enabled to find out the person, then after that after this I would like to go to the police station in order to complain about the thing, and I will give to the policeman so that the police can search the owner of the thing very easily, because they have a work in order to find out the things of the losting which people usually lost। It was more इस तरीके दे नाल भी मतलब जिमें ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ने पुलिस ऑफिसर यूजली उन्होंने गैट कर लेंदे आ। सो इस तरीके दे नाल ਇਹ ਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ क्यू कार्ड क्रॉस क्वेश्चनस। होर भी किस तरह के क्वेश्चनस आ सकते हैं लाइक तुसी की करोगे ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ थिंग्स तुसी की करते हो यूजली, what type of things do you like to do when you forget something and when you lost something? At that time I would like to remind each and everything regarding the thing where I took it last time, where I take it last time, जिथे मैं उन्होंने लिया सी ਜਾਂ जिथे मैं उन्होंने रखा सी, keep it on the place last time, so in this way I can remind. But if I totally unable in order to find at that time, I would like to take the help of my friend and my parents in order to search my belongings which I usually lose. सो इस तरीके दे नाल आपां दो स्टोरीज़ नूं एक मतलब दो जिहड़े क्यू कार्ड है एक स्टोरी दे विच मर्ज करके बनाए आ। होप करदी हां प्रॉपरली समझ आया होगा। जे फिर भी किसी नूं कोई डाउट है कमेंट करके दसो वीडियो मतलब ईजली जे तुहानूं किसी भी अदर मॉड्यूल दे रिलेटेड भी कोई डाउट है दैन यू कैन कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियोज़ सो दैट आई कैन कंप्लीट योर क्वेरीज एंड आई कैन अपलोड अनदर वीडियोज़ ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ योर क्वेरीज. Firstly, subscribe my channel if you want to boost your score, because my all videos are more imperative and my all videos are more beneficial for each and every candidates, because I always like to make the video on the behalf of error of the candidates who are always committed, which are always committed by some of the candidates. So hope करदी हां properly समझ आया होगा. Thank you so much.